Your burger never tastes like a restaurant, and the reason is not the meat. Most people think it's about quality, seasoning, or sauces. But the real difference starts before cooking even begins. When you take meat straight from the fridge, it is too cold. The moment it hits the pan, everything changes. Instead of searing, the surface cools the pan instantly. That creates steam instead of a crust. And without a crust, you lose most of the flavor. Restaurants never cook burgers this way. They always let the meat rest before cooking. This brings it closer to room temperature. So when it hits the pan, the heat stays stable. Stable heat creates the Maillard reaction. That reaction is what builds deep flavor and texture. Without it, your burger will always taste flat. There is another mistake most people make. They press the burger while cooking. This pushes juices out of the meat, and those juices carry flavor with them. Once they are gone, the burger dries out. Restaurants never press burgers during cooking. They let the crust form naturally. They also avoid moving the burger too early. If you flip too soon, the crust breaks. And again, you lose flavor. Timing is everything when cooking burgers. Heat, patience, and control make the difference. Another key detail is pan temperature. If the pan is not hot enough, nothing works. You need high heat to create the crust, but not so high that you burn the outside. This balance is what professionals master. At home, most people rush the process, and rushing destroys the result. Once you understand this, everything changes. Your burger becomes juicy, flavorful, and rich. Not because of better ingredients, but because of better technique.